Hi, this is Dr. Rukmini Chaudhary and you are watching Dr. Rukmini's Health Update. In my today's video, I'll be talking about Phytolacca tablets 4-in-1 combination. So in today's video, I'll be talking all about Phytolacca. See, Phytolacca is the medicine in homeopathy that is given in the all form, that is given in the mother tincture form, tablet form, and very good, very effective medicine for weight loss purpose. So in this video about tablet form of Phytolacca berries, tablet form, and this is given for the weight loss purpose. This is the combo pack, and if you buy this combo pack, you get benefit like you're getting these two things. Like one is your diet planner or diet chart, so you can maintain that what you are supposed to have, how much calorie you need, and 15 or 30 minutes exercise, yes, you are supposed getting good results. And this is your body mass index calculator. So by this you can easily calculate that in what BMI you fall. There is a there is a range in BMI. BMI is body mass index, and it is a ratio of your weight, height, the proportion in the ratio of your weight and height. And there is a range like 18 to, if you fall in the 18 to 25 category, you are in a healthy range, normal weight. This means you are having normal weight. So I myself, like, height is 5'4" and 56, and my height is 5'4". See, there are two flips. So one is for the weight and another for is your height. So you can do one thing. You can find your weight, like what is your weight and your height, and you can match both the lines. Okay, yeah. So this is my BMI, all in the healthy range or normal weight category. So you can find your as well, like this is for the weight again, and this is for the height. So you can match, and yeah, so the 5'4" and the weight. This way you can get, so this is for the normal weight purpose. And if you fall like your BMI is less than 18, then you are underweight. It is written, everything is written in this. And if your BMI is more than 25, you fall in overweight category. And if your BMI is more than 30, you are obese. There is a difference in overweight and obesity. The criteria is your BMI, means body mass index. So by this you can easily calculate your BMI and set targets. And by this this is a monthly planner or monthly diet chart planner, so you can follow daily basis, daily routine purpose, right? So with the help of these two tools, you can achieve whatever you want regarding your weight. Let's talk about the medicine. So this is the combo pack. There are four, in this way. Now I'm having this one, Phytolacca tablets. See, in homeopathy they are for the weight loss purpose. It completely depends, like you are overweight, there can be your thyroid problem, you can have PCOS in female. Yes, there are polycystic ovarian disease that causes overweight issues. So ruling out other disease should be the criteria, and finding out the main cause, like what is the underlying cause in your case, is the best way to treat your disease. Phytolacca berry is given when you have generalized overweight, or you are having tendency or familial history you have. If it is genetical, in that case you can use Phytolacca berry tablets. So it is in the tablet form. Everything is written on the medicines box, like 1 or 2 tablets. The doses, let's talk about the doses. So 1 or 2 tablets twice or thrice before meal in a day, and for regularly like minimum 2 to 3 months you are requested. If you genuinely want some results, so in that case 1 or 2 tablets. If you are overweight, means you are having, and you have there is a red line, so in that case you can use 2 tablets. But if you find any problem, you can taper down, you can cut down your dose. So maximum dose is like 2 tablets thrice. Try to use in morning, afternoon and evening, and try to use before 30 minutes of having, gives you very good results. So this way you can use Phytolacca berry tablets. And if you talk about the medicines cost, for 1 pack it is 145 rupees, and if you buy combo and it is written that this is 560 rupees. And the sources of buying homeopathic medicine, this is a homeopathic medicine. It is written over here that this is a homeopathic medicine, and you can only find homeopathic medicines on online homeopathic store and nearest homeopathic pharmacy, homeopathic doctor clinic. So this way you can use this medicine, and hopefully you get result with this medicine. If you find this video knowledgeable, informative, please like and share. If you are new on channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified, and I have put end screen on the videos, and you can press on them for further and detailed information. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.